Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to change WhatsApp language. Friends, if you want to change WhatsApp app language, then you simply need to press on the three dots. Now here press on settings. Now in settings you will find app language. Press on it. Now in app language you will find many options. You can select any language. I will select Hindi language. Now the complete WhatsApp app language will change to the selected language. Now all the options etc. will come in that language. So friends, like this you can very easily change WhatsApp app language. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.